Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make tomato ring omelets. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 2 eggs, 3 large beefsteak tomatoes, a green onion, a 1/3 cup of shredded Monterey Jack, a 1/4 cup of your favorite salsa, 2 tablespoons of minced garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour, a 1/2 teaspoon salt, a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, as well as some cooking spray. We'll start by spraying a nonstick pan with cooking spray and preheating it over medium-low heat. While our pan is preheating, we'll prepare our omelet mixture. We'll slice our green onion and then slice our tomatoes into about a 1/4 inch thick rings. We'll core the tomatoes with a spoon and mince the cores as well as any leftover pieces of tomato. After chopping our vegetables, we'll mix them together with our 2 eggs, 2 tablespoons of garlic, 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of pepper until well combined. Once our egg mixture is combined, our pan should be finished preheating. Working in batches if necessary, we'll place our tomato rings in the pan and fill each one with some of our egg mixture. We'll cover these and cook them 4 minutes on the first side and 2 minutes on the second. During the last minute of cooking, we'll sprinkle each one with a bit of our shredded Monterey Jack and cover them to allow the cheese to melt and the egg mixture to finish cooking. Once cooked, we'll remove them from the pan and we'll top each of these with about a teaspoon of our salsa and serve them as a side. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.